Yep.
Wow.
Huh?
I said, wow. I feel like I'm enjoying seeing his hands vibrating. Justice, are you excited that it's almost done?
You have to be careful with it though, because,
Because what?
well, I don't know.
Because what, honey?
For him, not to play rough.
Yeah, once you're done.
Yeah.